Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your BMW X3 in park. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. First, make sure your BMW X3 is completely stopped. You should not attempt to shift into park while the vehicle is still moving, even at a very slow speed, to prevent any potential damage. Once stationary, locate the gear selector lever, which is usually positioned in the center console between the front seats. This lever controls your vehicle's transmission. After you've pressed the P button on the gear selector, it's a good practice to engage the electronic parking brake for an extra layer of security, especially when parking on an incline or decline. The parking brake button is typically located near the gear selector or sometimes on the lower part of your dashboard. To engage it, you usually pull up or push down on the button, depending on your specific model. You'll see a red indicator light illuminate on your instrument cluster, confirming it's active. Once you've pressed the P button and engaged the parking brake, take a moment to visually confirm that the P indicator light is illuminated on your dashboard or directly on the gear selector itself. Some models also provide an audible chime or message to confirm successful engagement. After confirming, gently release your foot from the brake pedal. The vehicle should remain completely stationary. This double check ensures that your BMW X3 is securely in park and won't roll away, providing peace of mind. With your BMW X3 securely in park and the parking brake engaged, you can now turn off the engine. Simply press the Start/Stop button once to power down the vehicle. If your model uses a physical key fob, remember to remove it from the vehicle. Before walking away, ensure all doors are properly closed and locked. Following these simple steps consistently will help you safely and correctly park your BMW X3 every single time, ensuring both your safety and the longevity of your vehicle's components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.